As you can tell from the title and thumbnail of this video, this one's about to get a little crazy. About a quarter of the way into this battle, a fire started in some dry grass and began spreading very quickly. Now, at some point in the video, I'm going to reveal to you guys exactly how the fire started, but as you're watching, see if you can figure it out for yourselves, and then let me know down in the comments if you spotted the cause of the fire. Huge thanks to World War Wisdom for allowing me to borrow his 1903 A3 Springfield rifle for this battle. The rifle itself performed flawlessly, but the blanks I was running through were kind of finicky, so you'll see me kind of struggling with that throughout the video. Guys, we are so close to 100,000 subscribers, so if you wouldn't mind subscribing and sharing this video, that would be awesome. Alright guys, go ahead, grab your favorite snack, sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Make it that far, just go around the sides of it.
Which trench?
The big one.
Oh, the big one back there? Okay.
It's all on that berm facing out, so...
Okay, we'll probably fall back that way then.
Yeah, just go around the sides.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks for the warning.
Yep. The long trench. I don't think I'll fall in that risk, guys, so if you guys
You're gonna just die? What's that?
I don't think I'll be following you guys, I'll just die right here.
Okay, sounds good. That would look really good for the crowd.
How about this? You guys are definitely falling back, right?
Yeah, we're gonna fall back.
Well, then when you guys say to fall back, then I'll... You plan on taking a hit?
I'll probably take a hit at some point. Get out. I'm not sure what the plan is, but we're up front. We should probably start shooting first. Maybe we'll wait on those guys to start shooting. Are they coming back around?
I don't see anybody.
Hey, we've got infantry on the left! We should probably fall back soon. We should probably move to another position before the infantry get too close. Let's go. Fall back behind the BAR. Hey, Andrew! Andrew, we're about to run in front of you. Don't fire. We're about to run behind you. Go now! Go now! Give it to him! Come on! There's an MG on the right flank! Open up on that MG! Hit that MG, will ya?
Jam on our front.
What?
Go on, jam.
All right.
Go on. Down where he's at.
All right, go for it. Get out of here. Oh, shit.
They're moving up way too fast.
Yeah, they are. Way too fast.
Smooth. Got smoke. Enemy fire!
Go, go, go! Go for it. Get out of here. I'm out. I'm gonna fall back. Give us some covering fire!
Where are they at?
They're right there. I'm gonna go. There it is. We're good.
Good work, guys. Good work.
All right.
Oh my God.
We're good.
Alright, well there's all my water for the day. Yep, same here. Yeah. Get that, careful. Yeah, put some more water on this area.
Yeah. Crap, that started spreading fast.
Yeah, thank you. Holy shit. Oh,
Just dump it.
I have a life.
Yeah, I didn't think you were putting that out for a second. Right behind you, Travis.
Yeah.
Good work, guys. Good work.
Good job, guys.
That's fast as I fucking roll in a minute. We're gonna keep doing that or not?
Like Rockford.
Show's back on.
I was gonna say, show back on.
We're good. Dude, 15 feet that way. There's a fireman.
Thanks to my wife filming the battle from the audience, we were able to catch the culprit on camera.
Hey, I know what'll impress everybody. I'll start a fire. Oh man, bad idea.
Do we resume now?
Hey, get back in your hole! Where are we moving to? Let me throw another one.
Yeah, we need to fall back, guys.
Okay.
VAR, cover while we fall back. My leg! Get me out of here! Come on! Get me.
Let's go!
Oh, I could really use some water.
You good there? Grab him over here and help me pull him. We're gonna pull you, come on. Let's go, 3, 2, 1, pull. Where are you hit? Lay flat, where are you hit? Right here. Come up here, right here. Hey, apply pressure. Put pressure through me, all right?
Stay with us, stay with us.
I'm tired. I just want to go to
To the
sleep.
aid station after this.
I don't know. I mean, I don't really feel very good.
Don't look at it.
Am I bleeding? How bad is it?
No, you're fine.
How bad
No,
is
no,
it?
no, no.
Is my leg okay? Is my leg
leg's
all right?
You're
I
fine.
can't feel my leg anymore.
Shit,
I don't know.
got a painkiller.
Oh,
Oh, don't tell that.
oh.
Morphine, get him morphine. Do you have any morphine?
I don't know. I think I can walk. I think I can get up and walk. I don't know. Oh, shit. Oh, God. My chest.
Oh, let's see if this
One. Max, look at me. Hey, look at me. All right, you're gonna be fine. All right. I got morphine for you.
Yeah, I can
All right,
use
we'll
a little
get you the
bit
hell
of
out of here.
morphine.
You're gonna be fine.
All right, just stick it in me, dog. I don't feel very good.
Keep them awake. Keep pressure on those wounds.
Stay with us, buddy. You'll be fine, you'll be fine. You'll be good. You're good, you're good, you're good. You're good. Good, you're good, you're good. You're fine,
Are
you're
the
fine.
Germans coming? Are they
No.
close?
You're fine.
Are they gonna kill us?
No.
Oh God. Oh shit! They just shoot him. Oh.
Hey, Sonny hater?
Oh.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine.
My leg, it hurts.
Sonny? Sonny hater?
I'm just gonna pass away, probably. Seeing the pearly gates.
Hey.
Dead?
I can't believe I started the fire.